Hi everybody, this is a quick video to show how I do use the automatic needle threader following the instructions in the manual on page 31. So the really important thing to remember is before you start, do a needle down, needle up in order to get the needle to its highest position, and then press the lock button, which is here, and you will get the padlock come up on your screen. What that does is put the needle in the right position for threading and also opens the tension disc so that when you start threading down through your tension discs, that will all be in the right position and it will all open up nicely. So you come down to this point here and then you're going to go round behind here and through this little fellow here. And you need to give that a good tug. It resists slightly, but you need to tug it all the way across to the left-hand side and then through the automatic needle threader here. And again, give it a little tug so it catches. And this is the bit a lot of people forget, is you now have to put the thread through the thread cutter and actually cut your thread so that you're not trying to pull too much thread through the needle. And that will make it a lot easier to use and it will do it much more reliably. So then once you've done that, you then gently press the needle threader down and gently release, and that will give you a nice loop gone through your needle, and you simply pull it through and there it is, needle threaded. I hope that helps. You do have to be gentle with it because it is a very fine piece of wire, but I have so far, touch wood, never had any problems with mine. I do always use Janome needles. Some people say that makes a difference. I don't know. But I've had my machine over a year now and always use my automatic needle threader and love it. So take care everybody and happy sewing. Bye.